Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely beautiful Royal Alloy Grand Prix 125S. Here we have a Royal Alloy Grand Prix 125S. This is a 2026 bike on a 26 plate with just 6 miles and one owner from new. This bike is in excellent condition, as you would expect for a machine with just 6 miles on it. Beautiful, beautiful machine in the purple and white. All the metal bodywork here, very reminiscent of the 1960s, of course, but you get the modern reliability. Standard exhaust, all looking really, really good there, as you can see. Absolutely unmarked, nothing to apologise for whatsoever on this bike. You've got the rack there, twin seats, and then all of the bodywork looking absolutely brilliant, I have to say. You've got your footboards there. Just looks like a 1960s Vespa or Lambretta, this, doesn't it, really? Really good looking thing. Mirrors and your bar ends and levers, all absolutely unmarked, just like the rest of this stunning scooter. All of the front of the bike there, looking really, really good. Anti-lock brakes, of course, so it might look like a bike from the 60s, but you do, of course, get that modern touch with the anti-lock brakes. The front wheel and suspension all in good condition there, and the front tyre, obviously plenty of life left in that one with just 6 miles on it. No stone chips, no damage to the front mudguard, likewise the front of the bike. Absolutely brilliant. The left hand side of the bike, well, it's exactly the same as the right. Nothing to apologise for at all. I keep saying bike, don't I? It's a scooter, of course. We don't do many scooters. The mirrors, bar ends and levers all in excellent condition there. And the front of the scooter all looking really, really nice. Again, the front mudguard, no sign of any damage there, and the front suspension units all looking really good with no corrosion or leaks of any kind. Footboards all good as well. You've got your storage compartment there and your shopping bag hanger. It is very much like a 60s Vespa, isn't it? Rear foot pegs just tucked in the side there. Your rear panels all very, very nice indeed with no scratches. There's a centre stand, of course, and your swing arm engine unit there, all looking really, really good. Or drive unit, all good. And the rear wheel in excellent condition, just like the rest of it. Top of the bike, all good, no rips or tears in those beautiful seats. You get a digital dash nowadays as well, so another nod to modernity there on this classically styled scooter. So if you are looking for a real throwback, look no further than this stunning Royal Alloy Grand Prix 125S. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this awesome Royal Alloy, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take the inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.